Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how you can create a WhatsApp group directly from web WhatsApp. So if you are logged in already to web WhatsApp, what you can do is just click on this plus icon right here and just go to the new group. Now you need to add at least one member in order to make a group. So let's quickly add one person. It could be any person. Just make sure that you have the name saved, only then it will show up in the options. So let's click next. And let's say test group. Let's click go, and there you have the group created. Now what you can do is you can delete that extra person if you don't want that. So for example, this is the test group. I can just go to the test group and you can see all the members right here, but the other member didn't automatically add. But otherwise, if it was added, you can just simply select the person from here and delete from here. And now you have the brand new group created on web WhatsApp. So I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for all the amazing tips and tricks here.